Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to download the app for the ELEHEAR hearing aids. Alright, so we got to go to the Apple Store, right? So we're going to go ahead and get our phone, and we're going to go ahead and go to Photo, because you always got to do Photo to get to it. And then we're just going to get on there like that, and it just basically picks it up. You see that yellow square, and then you see that little yellow thing at the bottom. It's on Photo. And I just click it. And it's going to take me right to the app. Okay? And look, I don't want to do that. All right, so now I'm at the ELEHEAR app. And basically all I have to do is hit get. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So I just hit get. And then it's asking me if I want it. I got to double click. And then I've got to install it. So I've got to go down to the bottom and install it, which I'm going to show you right here. I'm trying not to get my email in there. Follow me? So I'm going to hit install. And then it wants me to sign into my Apple account. All right? So I've got to do that. You guys just hold your horses, for gosh sakes. Guess what? I put it in and bam, it's there. So now we just got to open it. Ta-ding. Thank you for choosing. All right, would you like to, not now, I don't really need the locations. All right, then you got to go to the bottom. You got I agree to there, whatever that is. And then you hit continue. And bam, I'm going to say allow. And here we are. Select your hearing aids. So now we got to figure out which ones we got. And if I look on here, you're going to see it says Beyond, right? So there's two of them. There's Alpha Pro and there's Beyond. So I got to click Beyond. All right. Now it's going to send. I got to enter my email, right? And then I've got to enter a verification code. So hold on to your horses. I'm going to do that. Get code next. So I've entered my email, right? And then next, what I've got to do, once you enter your email, then you hit get code. All right. So now we got 56 seconds. I got to go find my code. I got to go to my email, right? All right. So I got the verification code and I put it in. I'm just going to hit done. And then now I hit next. And now it just says explore. All right. It says need help. Watch now. Hear the future. All right. Here's your settings down here. Device connection needed. All right, let's connect our device. So our device is right here, right? Here it is. Now let's see if we can connect it. All right, I got to select. Preparing connection. Remove the hearing aids from the charge box to begin Bluetooth connection. All right, so we have to pull these out. Uno and doso. So I pulled them out. Now I'm going to hit continue. All right, it goes go to settings and beyond, go to settings. All right, let's do that. All right, let's go to Bluetooth. There it is right there. Hit that. And bam, Bob's your uncle. We are now connected to our phone. All right, bam. We are connected to our Bluetooth. All right, and that's basically it. We did it. Now we can go back to our app, and yeah, look, check it out. Congratulations, your hearing aid was successful. Try using your hearing aids. All right, you have essentially connected. Let's begin. All right, let's begin. Okay, position the hearing aid at the top of your ear. Insert the cap fully into your ear canal. The wire should lay flush against your ear. Okay, so we got to do that, right? Let's try. Okay, so the red, so you got to find the red, right? Red is right. So this has to go on my right ear. So I got to slide it in like this, move my glasses, and get her stuck right in my ear there. Okay, I'm in. Now I got to do the left, right? So this has got to go behind my ear. Means I got to kind of move my ear forward and then slide it in. Okay, I'm in. I'm ready to go. So now that I've got them in there, right, I've got to hit continue. Okay, so now it says, to lower the volume, perform a short press on the volume button. So if I want to lower the volume, I would push on this. I can't show you because it's in my frickin' ear. There's a little button on it, and I'll show you guys afterwards when I pull them out. But it's the bottom part of the button you push to lower the sound. All right, so I did that side. And I'm going to go on this side. I'm going to press the bottom part of the button, and it lowers the volume. All right, let's continue. All right. So it says here, to pause or restart the Bluetooth streaming, press and hold the volume down button for 2 seconds. Okay? All right, so we get that. All right, press and hold the volume up button for 5 seconds to power it off. So to turn them off, you have to hold the top part of the button for 5 seconds, and that will turn them off. All right, press and hold the same button again for 3 seconds to power them on. So the top of the button, you're going to press for 5 seconds to turn them off, 3 seconds to turn them on. Okay? Got it? All right, let's continue. All right, it says, congratulations, you're ready to start your hearing aids. I thought we were going to do some kind of test and check them out, but I guess not. Oh yeah, wait a minute. Look, there is some stuff here. All right, so it says, oh, look, I can change the volume here. Look. Oh, I can hear it, too, as I do it. So look, I can change the volume here. So that was my left ear. I just turned it up to 7. Here's my right ear. I'm going to go to 8. Let's go. So you can change them independently of each other on the app, all right? Now, they have an auto enhance, which it's already set. It's got on and off, right, and auto. Let's slide up a little bit. It says speech enhance. So speech enhance, I guess we can do auto enhance, and that does that. Tuning. All right, so you can tune the left and the right. You see right here? All right, call boost. I've got that on there. And that's pretty much it. All right, so if you have tinnitus, where you like ringing in the ears, you can press this. And then it gives you these different situations that you're in, or not in, but you can pick. All right, so there's soundscapes and your favorites. You can do rain, you can do heavy rain, thunderstorm, wind. I mean, look at them. There's a whole bunch of them. So if you read what they're saying there, that's what you're going to get, okay? You see that? Yeah. And so if you want it to have blue noise here, brown noise, if you want to hear a train coming by. So this is to kind of like dull that ringing in your ears, so supposedly. And then, you can put favorites on there too. And it also shows you your battery life right here. So I think they're pretty good. I mean, I can hear really well with them. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and that's how you download the app for the app for these. You know what I mean, Jelly Beans? Let me go, let me go back here. That's how you download the app for your hearing aids. Yeah, peace out.